Hello guys, so this is the Norden dining table which we bought in IKEA, and it was priced at around 17,000 Indian rupees. So this is an extendable dining table and it becomes really very compact. I can show you a quick demo of this. So this is the full length of the dining table when it is completely open. This has gate legs on either side, one on the left and one on the right, as shown over here. So these have a couple of holes over here, which is where this will be fixed over here, the legs. So that's how this is going to be fixed. So that's the same on the other side as well. Now let me quickly close this. So all I have to do is push this onto the other side, and I'll have to drop it down. Once I drop it down, this is how it looks. And similarly on the other side we can drop the other one as well. I'll do that and show it to you quickly. So once you drop the other side, this is how sleek it will become. This is hardly just 20 centimeters of width. So this is on the left side. And this is on the other side, right side. And apart from this, it also has 6 shelves, 3 on either side. Three on this side, and similarly we have 3 on the other side. And to be honest, it's really very strong. The quality is very nice, and this seems to be pretty strong over here. And the overall weight of this dining table is 45 kgs. This is really very mobile. It can be moved easily. 2 people together can move it here and there, and this really saves a lot of space in your house. So thank you guys, that's it from this video.